Hi everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm a marketing assistant for Kent State Division of Student Life. But today, I'm inside Centennial B. I'm going to take you through my resident solver. So let's go. Now we're right outside my room, so let's go inside and have a look. Welcome to my Kent State crib, and this is my roommate Justin. So, Justin, show him the shoes.
On the right shoe, we got Krusty the Clown, and then on the left shoe, we got Snoopy.
As you see behind me, we got the door, normal, just crossed over into the twilight zone. That's what we like to call it here. Got a bunch of my coats here, the AC system, got fan, bunch of Justin's snacks right there. Justin got some posters too. We got Justin's desk right here. Justin, you want to tell them about your desk?
Yeah, we got some of the shoes on display. We got a little bit of the colognes up here, some chains, got a little bit of everything going on.
We got Justin's TV too and my Xbox. We put the ladder kind of over here by like the snacks and stuff. Number one, this is the #1 dorm, and we got the #1 snacks as well. Big Cleveland Cavs fans, so we got the little snow globe right there. Look at that. But you never seen something like that before. I'm a big basketball guy. And then I got my katana. It's from like Disney World when I was there. I got my monkey. His name is Julius. Little vines right there that he's hanging on. I got my hat from Disney as well. Little award right there. Right here on my desk, we got a bunch of little knickknacks and a little bit of jewelry here. Got a big cologne collection, so I got that on the top row. And then down here, I got some books. Got my DJ controller because I like to DJ in my free time. And then got a couple little baby photos right there with my mom and my dad. And then now we're back over to Justin's bed. Justin, you want to show him the posters?
We got a big like poster collage of different rap albums, which I think is cool. Looks pretty good.
But now we're inside the bathroom. Got our private bathroom at Centennial B. So we're living it up here. Got the 3 different mirrors right here. You can see every angle. So you look nice and sexy after you shave and everything. Got a little teapot right there, a little tea kettle too. Here's the shower, that looks pretty nice. Over here, got a bunch of different little posters. And then in the corner, if you want to come and look around here, you can see Ringo from the Beatles. Now, if you look in the mirror, his eyes, however they are, wherever you are in the room, he follows you around, so that's kind of creepy. Biggest talking point in the room is the talking chair. I'm gonna sit down here real quick. This is just, you know, sometimes you just want to chill, you want to relax. Maybe it's nice and cool in here. Maybe Justin and I want to have a little conversation, chill. Gotta sit in the talking chair. That was my Kent State crib. Thank you for coming, and see you next time.